Alright, welcome back to another day. Today is day 150 something, 6 maybe, 7, okay. So yeah, I'm pretty much done with the semester. Today I had a presentation. I finished the exams on Monday, and then today I had a presentation about a project that we've been doing for the whole semester. Went pretty well. And then that's pretty much it, so yeah. Going back to the project, I think you guys cannot see the screen actually. Let me fix that. Not this. Oh yeah, I select the wrong screen. Great. The hell. Okay, this one. Right. There we go. Okay, you can now finally see the screen. So, going back to the project, I don't know where I left it. Remake. So where's this C-sword? Right. So let's see how this is. Okay. So there's this thing I probably have to, like when creating a new thing, I probably have to change the delay for each different algorithm. But you know, it's like kind of crazy. Probably I could do it somewhere around here. Maybe. Where I could have like another field called, delay or something like that. I don't know. But what I wanted to do, and this is, okay, no, not set to 1000. I have a rate, yes. Remake. Let's just see how that one fits. Okay, that seems pretty good. You know, I'd say that does look pretty good. Of course, maybe you know that could be thing. Okay. So what am I gonna do? What I have short view, array. Okay, array is something that I need for sure. Short view as well, and then I'm gonna need sorting as well. I don't know if I'll need this, so I'll just get rid of it. And I'll need for sure this. Okay, so this selection sort does have a mark. We have the mark, and we have a swap. Okay, so we have a swap, and then in the swaps where we mark this thing. Right. Then is the array the one that has it is, right? The one that has the vector of accesses. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so the idea would be to have something like this, where it's just like, where is it? Sorting. I did not include it. Great. Alright. So the idea would be, let's just go back to bubble sort because it's probably these. No, bubble sort actually no. Let's just go to selection sort. Yeah. So the idea here is to go ahead and say array dot, what is the name? 3 list accesses. Is it protected? It is protected. You're not going to be protected. Fuck it. Okay. So array dot list accesses dot add, and then I would have to create an access as well. So how do you do this then? That's the question that I have. So you do have shit. Damn. Damn. Sorry about that. Alright, allergy has been killing me these days. So you do have something out here which is just like, just swap this and then you mark the swap selection short. Yeah, selection short. Like look up selection short. Here, it's the first one. So though he's like always kind of marking a lot of different items. So mark the last good element on what's all. Yeah, okay, so it does make sense. So swaps will have something where it adds it to some array, right? If I'm not mistaken, swap was in the sort algo.h, I think. No, sort array.h is where swap was. So we have all these different things. Great. And then we had the swap. Swap. Yeah, no, not this one. Set swap. Then inversions, accesses, swap on access. Okay, yeah, I'm pushing back this. Okay, that's what I wanted. So you're pushing back I and J. An M access list is M access list is an array of accesses. So I guess you're only pushing back the index in this case, right? It has to be it though. So then you just display each. I mean, you do get. I mean, it does make sense. It does make sense. Add. What do you mean? Okay. Push back. Okay, so it would be something like add. How much memory function to call pushback? What are you talking about? Array.list of accesses dot pushback. Size assign. Yeah, pushback. I. And then J. That's what he does at least. Pushback I and J. Oh, because you create. Okay. Okay, bruh. Okay, so you don't do it here, but you do it rather in swap, where it makes more sense to have it there. Actually, yeah, makes much more sense. So you mark the first one, the second one. This is probably not what I want. So rather what I would want is something like, you know, access one, or maybe I could just say access one, as a matter of fact, equals first index, no variable overloaded. But M access one is an struct, right? M access one is access, yes. And then access, just get the index. Well, I can do it like this, no? Non-constant expression cannot be narrowed for type size t to 32t. Alright, bruh. So I guess I could go ahead and say index. Alright. To index is equals to the second index. Okay. And so it would be like list of accesses dot pushback. Access one. Right? Access one. And then access two. Right. So then when it came time to actually display this thing, wouldn't be configure color though. Damn. How do I do it then? Well, I guess I could, you know, then mark all this, right? Like, I guess I would have to mark them, and then instead of unmarking them, then I would have something in the sorting thing, which it would be like, I don't know, selection short. Where does he do it? In selection short. Okay, here it is. So you do the swaps, and then you want to watch all of them in the first loop. Right, so somewhere around here, it would be like unwatch. All. Right. A dot unwatch all. Yeah, makes sense. So then I have to go into array. Out here, this is still within the is still here, so it would be void watch all. And so you have to go here, say void array unwatch all. Whoa, whoa. Okay, this would be for. I never remember how this is for each in C++. For type variable name in array name for out of member in list of accesses. Then this is going to be unmark. Unmark, yes. I do not have an index. Damn. So I guess I'm gonna need this then. God damn it. Size ti 0 I less than list of accesses dot size plus, and then I have to do unmark I, and then here I have to list of accesses dot clear. Alright, so I guess this does make sense. And then it would be something, yeah, I just unwatch it, then I just have to go back in here and say array dot unwatch all, boom, and then we can go ahead and do remake. Let's see how that one goes. Well, I guess, yeah, fuck it. I don't know what I was thinking about, you know? Probably because in bubble short I don't have an watch out. That's probably why. Same goes for this one. So bubble short. Oh, you do not need it. That's interesting as fuck. Okay. Oh yeah, alright, I'm so stupid. Wait, where's this? Sorry. Is it in where is it? Right, that should be. No, yeah, I do unmark it, and then unmark is, you set it to 2. I mean, you set it to 0, which is white. And I guess that's that, yeah, for sure. Like, I understand that I don't need it in bubble short, but like, so you swap in here, and for example, it's deleted, fuck. So bubble short visualized. Yeah, here it is. So he has a swap thing, but then he doesn't have any unwatch or anything like that. That's very interesting. And then when it comes time to paint, this should be right, yeah. So then paint, I do say configure column with the array get item I. So I get that. I get the color. With the configure color, which returns an SDA color based on I. How does this work? Actually, I have no idea. So you go and say color code item.get color. Yeah. Then this is get color and then what is it? Right, CPP is marked on, and I set the color to this, and then yeah, I unmark. Where's the swap thing? Then you push it back, update the inversions. X is still equals -1. Not too sure about that one though, for sure. I mean, I do feel like this, not this, but rather, where's it here? Okay, okay, here it is. And then, you know, I would actually unmark them. First index, the second index. Like at the end of the day, bubble short is only taking two values at the same time, so it's like that's what makes sense to actually display as the index, you know? I don't know, I might just do it like this and then say fuck it, you know? Because if I do this, then I can say, for example, the onWatch thing. You know, this out of here. And then where's it here? I can go ahead and get rid of this. What the hell? You're right. That's just what I feel like. It's actually the best way to do it, you know. I'm showing what needs to be shown. Okay, so let me do. What did I want to do? I have no idea. Search in short. I actually had it in this thing. If it wants to load, of course. Okay. 5 source algorithm.cpp. Yeah, here. Sub elements or thread insertion. Not this one, not this one. Selection short insertion short. So assign new element. Probably have to be something like insert, you know, new element. But whatever. Okay, so size t size equals array dot get size. Then what is it? To the first for group I equals 0, I less than size, I guess. Yes. Equals plus. So here I say array member. So it has to be the same type. So I'm just gonna say array item. Item equals array I. Right. And so then I have a size tj which equals I minus 1. Okay. Get the whole mutex thing and wait. So while j is equal is bigger than equal than 0. Right now what I want to do. So this is where it kind of shifts the whole values. Okay, array.j value. So this would be array j dot array. My bad. Yeah, you're right. And dot get value is bigger than item dot get value. The hell? Okay. So pretty much the only thing that matters is that j equals j minus 1. Then I have to create a new operation in array. So so rather than swap, it would be something like void insert. So this is assign new element, or I say that get the array. How did this one work? Header. Wait, I should have it right there. Rather than that should be swap element sort thread selection short insertion short assign new element. Okay. So I'm just saying that the first member equals the second member's value. Okay. So insert where I have a size be first index, size t second index. So I can say that array or s array first index equals s array second index. What the hell just happened? Okay. And then that's pretty much it, no? Yeah. So insert, I just have to go back in here and say insert, which is, sorry, I just keep messing it up. Insertion short, so I have to insert j plus 1 and j. Okay, so I have to insert j plus 1 and then j. Insert, I guess array dot insert, yes. Great. And I guess when doing an insert, I should also probably, because I'm doing a swap, I should probably do something be like mutex array dot black. I get this. Then I probably have to say on axis. Yes. On axis limits. Probably another one, I have no idea. How does he do it though? Insertion on short. Precision short. He just swaps it out. Not too sure about that. You're not really swapping, are you? We'll see how this one goes. I don't care. So then we say, you know, mutex array dot unlock. And then you just pretty much do a sort delay. I mean, what happens if I do a swap, actually? This is array dot swap. He does j and j plus 1. J plus 1. Oh, that won't look. And then, yeah, j minus minus. Sorry. So, that's pretty much it. Alright, so I would have to go back in here and insert a new one, which would be insertion short. sure. 1,000. Sure, why not? Wait, my camera has been froze this whole time? Nah, you gotta be fucking kidding me, bro. What the fuck? Yo, it's dead, bro. What? So you've not been seeing me. I mean, I've just been stuck in this weird ass frame. Yo, hello? The fuck? I don't know, it feels like it's just died out of nowhere. What the hell? What if I delete the room of yes? And what if it's just added back? Wait, the screen has been fucking froze as well! What the fuck? Nah, I swear this is some crazy shit right here. Why? Why did this happen? Why did this fucking happen? I don't know which one I had. I think I had this one. Yo, this is way too big. What the fuck? That's much better, bro. What? How long has been just like this? Array operator assertion I less than size fail. Yeah, you're probably right. Have to be right, probably. Yeah. I mean, because this has to be one, right? Yeah, it is one. Yeah. That's where the mistake is. Okay. So now I just have to redo this again. Okay. Boom. Searching I less than right size. Did I already fix this? What are you talking about? Array dot get size. And in swap I have the first index is less than the size. Here I get that is the first one. I. So wait, what? I never do that. I only swap this. Change it was one. What are you talking about? What? Also on this one. So it's on this move right here, huh? Raise first. Yep. What the fuck? I mean, I is less than the size. So like, why would you not work as you're intended to? Array that size. Oh, let's just do. Oh, this is gonna go crazy. Fuck it. I just want to know the array dot size. std and l remake. It's kind of crazy actually. It's gonna go crazy. 100, yes. We're supposed to be 100. It's probably kind of crashed before it does anything because I put it after that, so I probably won't get even. I wouldn't even get the size. After all this, yep, exactly. Right, man. Yeah, that was my bad. Actually, let me. Should be right. Remake once again. Then, what is it? 1,000. I is less than 1,000. What? Vim source may not be. I guess I also have to print out the value of I then. I. What the fuck? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you do get all this. Then I get 0. But 0 is less than 1,000. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, so this is probably what's wrong, right? Why did you get this value out of nowhere? Yeah, so I is, yeah, what? What? Been doing it the right way? Yeah, and then J is bigger than item that can value, yes. So key, and then you do J equals I minus 1, yes. So wow, J is equal to yes. Is equal 1 plus in the size, I plus plus. I don't really get what's wrong with it. J plus 1, but that shouldn't be a trouble. I mean, dare you? Do I still have array dot insert? Yes. Okay, so this would be, so I have to insert J plus 1, okay, J plus 1, then J, I guess, to do all this. And so in here I have insert. Yeah. I don't need to mark it though. Still happens. What? So this makes no difference whatsoever. So less than the size, which is size of the array, of course. And then I have no idea where this happens. It's an item, which is array. Selection short. Oops. So it happens inside. So it happens inside of here. What the fuck is going on? It's always the same value, actually. That's crazy. What? I am genuinely lost in this thing. I am so lost. Sorry, include wait.hpp. This is the important bit. So I have this function and kind of sorting, I guess. Sorting.cpp. So it's in this one. Whoops. During the selection short, I get this error, which is not really an error, but you know. So you do it once and then you swap, because you want to do j plus c plus 1. So what do I have to do, bro? But is this how insertion sort is supposed to go? Oh, because it's a size T. It cannot take the value -1, but it shouldn't take the value -1. I mean, it really shouldn't take the value -1, but what the hell? Why would you take the value -1? Well, so you do. Maybe I'll get an error here. Don't get. Hey, there we go. Okay. We got it. So it's literally that simple. Okay. So I can get rid of this. Probably do something. $500. Remake, and then that should be it. Oh my god, wait, I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid. So this one has to go as well. And then I changed short view.cpp. So it's this one, but I have to change this one. Make. Okay, that's it. It does work pretty good. How does insertion look for this guy? Insertion short. That's all I need. Do you have a video of insertion short? You do, of course you do. Damn, this is slow as fuck. What the fuck? Let me actually. So this is short view.cpp. Okay. We need to put you in, I don't know, 100. You're struggling with that. Now you go super fast. Alright, bro, whatever. I obviously have to go ahead and say sense a dot set sorted true. Okay. Right. Commit searching short added to the list. Boom. Boom. Alright. Then I want to do another thing, which is in here. Short view. And I could probably go ahead and say chrono. And this would be microseconds. Called delay. Okay. So then in here, I could say not only this, but also the amount of delay that you get. So normally, what is it? Normally, it's an array dot to be right. So in array dot it's yep. Okay, so you first set a delay default to 4,000. Okay. So I guess now I have to do is, so instead of 4,000, how does this look? You look pretty damn fast, so I'm gonna put you at do 12,000. So no viable conversion from into a city microseconds. So maybe you don't have to be this, instead you have to be an int. Int. Okay, let me put you back. Sorry, I have to change the array itself. So it would be array. I'll do all this, and then I do array dot set delay. Doesn't quite like that. What the hell? Array dot delay, short delay dot set delay with the algo list I dot delay. Okay, so it needs to have this specified, otherwise it wouldn't work because it's not specified. So bubble short, I don't know how you are as of right now, so let me just check you out. Boom. This is bubble short actually. This is 4,000 is pretty damn quick for you. Let me put you a little bit slower. Just do 8,000. Boom. Cook to short, same thing. Selection short, you're gonna be way 40,000. That is 40,000. Okay. 40,000. So make. I have to do a make remake now. So I've changed the header file as well. Yeah, this does look pretty good. I mean, why would you put an 81 millisecond delay on such an algorithm? I definitely have to do keyboard shortcuts so that I can go into the next one because this is way too boring. Alright, then you get done. Great. stuff. Boom. I'm pretty happy with this. So made place for each algorithm are now specified in the algo list. Boom. Alright, so I think that's gonna be it for today. I want to start with the sound as soon as possible, so probably I'll add maybe a couple of new algorithms and just get straight to the sound because I think that's gonna take me a pretty long time. But yeah, thank you.